Did you recently receive an NC QuickPass toll violation notice and have no idea how to pay it online? Well, welcome to the explainer that is going to transform that stressful piece of mail into a fully resolved issue in just a few minutes.
Seriously, if you are holding one of those notices right now and feeling completely lost, don't worry. Stay tuned as we break down each step in detail to make this whole process a total breeze. So here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1. Introduction to NC QuickPass. 2. Gather necessary information. 3. Navigating the website. 4. Step-by-step payment process. 5. Confirmation and follow-up. And 6. Tips for avoiding future violations. Let's dive right in.
First up, Section 1, Introduction to NC QuickPass.
North Carolina uses 100% electronic tolling on facilities like the Triangle Expressway, the Monroe Expressway, and the I-77 Express lanes. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means there are absolutely zero cash boosts to slow you down. Instead, overhead cameras literally snap a photo of your license plate as you drive by. If you don't already have a prepaid transponder set up, the state simply mails you an invoice. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. That mailed invoice is billed at a significantly higher rate.
And you have to notice how quickly the stakes escalate here. If you ignore that initial invoice, you have exactly 30 days to resolve it. Miss that deadline, your very next bill slaps on a $5 administrative processing fee. If you become a repeat offender, you are suddenly looking at a $25 civil penalty. And the final step? It's pretty serious. The Turnpike Authority is legally authorized to place a hold on your DMV vehicle registration. Operating a vehicle with a blocked or expired registration is actually a Class 3 misdemeanor in North Carolina. No thank you, right?
Okay, moving on to Section 2, Gather necessary information.
Go ahead and grab your physical notice. You are going to need to locate your unique invoice number and your license plate details. These are basically the two mandatory keys you'll need to unlock your account online. It's also super helpful to have your vehicle make and model plus your registered billing zip code handy. Oh, and if you happen to have lost the physical notice, don't panic. The system actually lets you search using just your license plate number and your registered zip code as a backup.
Before we actually log on, I have a crucial pro tip for you regarding your license plate. If your plate features vertically stacked letters, which is pretty common on some specialty plates, make sure you enter those stacked prefix letters top to bottom first, followed by the horizontal characters. And remember, absolutely omit all spaces, dashes, or punctuation. The digital system only recognizes the raw alphanumeric characters. It's picky like that.
Next up, Section 3, Navigating the NC QuickPass website. All right, you will want to navigate directly to secure.ncquickpass.com. To make sure the payment scripts load correctly and you don't run into any frustrating errors, it's highly recommended to use a modern, updated browser. Think Google Chrome, Apple Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Once that homepage loads up, just look for and click on the module labeled Pay Unpaid Invoice. Easy enough?
That brings us to Section 4, the step-by-step payment process.
The system is incredibly straightforward once you're actually in. Step 1, just input your search parameters, so either your invoice number and plate or your plate and zip code. Step 2, once your account pulls up, carefully verify that all the open toll charges and administrative fees actually match what is on your notice. Step 3, select the Pay Invoice option, and Step 4, proceed to the secure checkout to enter your billing details.
Boom. Done. For the payment itself, the portal accepts all the major hitters: Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. But hey, what if the charge is actually a mistake? Say a camera misread a character on a totally different car, or worse, your plate was cloned. The crucial thing to remember here is that you only have 30 days from the invoice date to file an official informal review dispute in the portal. After those 30 days, you legally waive your right to contest it. If you do need to dispute, you can just submit your reasoning and upload supporting documents, like a bill of sale or a police report, directly through their Contact Us page.
Now for Section 5, Confirmation and Follow-up.
Okay, this is important. Always ensure you wait and actually see that final confirmation screen load. Do not close the browser early. Save a digital copy of your receipt or just print it out, especially if you're paying this to clear an active DMV registration hold. And while you're sitting on this screen, take a quick moment to toggle on the paperless email billing option. That ensures any future invoices go directly to your inbox, so you literally never lose a physical notice in the mail again.
Finally, Section 6, Tips for Avoiding Future Violations.
So the real takeaway is this comparison right here. Relying on the invoice rate means you are actually paying double the base toll cost while taking on all the risk of mail delays and late fees. Not great.
On the flip side, opening an NC Quick Pass account instantly saves you 50% on North Carolina tolls. It uses automatic prepayments to completely eliminate late fees. Plus, if you get a transponder, it works seamlessly across 19 different states, tying right into major networks like EasyPass and SunPass. It is a complete no-brainer.
And here is the best part. You can actually use the invoice you just paid to instantly convert into a permanent NC Quick Pass account. Right there from your payment confirmation page, just click Convert to an NC Quick Pass account. You simply link a credit card or bank account, throw on a minimum $10 prepaid balance, and you are golden. It keeps your budget safe, completely automates your tolling, and lets you drive with the confidence of a local.
Before we wrap things up, just a quick legal disclaimer. This explainer is intended for informational purposes only. While this guide is designed to help you navigate the digital system effectively, you should always contact NC QuickPass customer service directly for specific inquiries, complex account issues, or any official legal support regarding your tolls. If you found this breakdown helpful, please share this explainer with your friends and family to save them from toll trouble on their next road trip. And I'm going to leave you with this final thought. In an era where our license plates act as our digital footprints on the highway, are you driving proactively or just waiting for the next expensive envelope to arrive in the mail? Take control of your travel, and I'll see you next time.